What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome back. Oh, let me turn on my little sign. Welcome back. Happy Monday. Thank you for tuning in. Watching Trading with David 305. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Lethal Mind. By the way, I got out of that Bitcoin short on break even. Now you got out of the short when it starts going short. All right, well, at least you didn't lose anything. That's good. But let's see what we got. We got nothing going on today. Nothingness. Sorry about the delay. I was getting my coffee, so gotta have my coffee. Oh, look at my nice if you see my hat, I got branding, I got merch. I also got merch. It's official. Let's see. Market dump brought me back to break even. Hey, I get it, bro. I get it. This market's volatile. Let's go. Oh, my nose. Anyways, today's April 20th, 420 for y'all smokers. I don't smoke, but y'all enjoy if you do. Let's see here. So there's no real news for today. Let's go to Twitter. Let's go to that Trump Truth Social. What's up? Good morning, Alex. Let's have this guy here just in case. No, we have his on. Okay. Crypto. Look, they're talking about crypto, guys. Motor theft homicide. Cool story. April 19th. This was yesterday. Ooh. That's pretty deep right there. There's a leader in the world who has put lives of citizens of his country at risk for the freedom of Venezuela. And that is Donald Trump. Her words. And we Venezuelans will always remember that. Remember him and thank you. Thank him. Okay. All right. Alrighty. Let's see the charts. All right, so it should have gapped, right? Yeah, major gap here. Major gap. We'll see it better on the 1 hour here. Oh, did it fill the gap already? That was quick. It filled the gap during freaking Asia and London. Barely, like, where are we at here? There's literally a little piece left. And we're back at all-time highs. That's crazy. It gapped. How many points did it gap to the downside, guys? So we closed about right here. Went all the way down on Sunday. 306 points, give or take. 306 points. And it's already rebalanced it more than, I would say, 80%, 90% rebalanced. Crazy. Okay. So we're looking for longs. We're just waiting for some sort of pullback to VWAP and then right back to all-time highs. It's crazy. This is crazy. My bad. Had to blow my nose because if not, there'd be snot everywhere here. Woke up with my nose a little stuffy. Anyways, story of my life. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I now, by the way, let's see, where was I? So the Apex account, I requested a payout, so I can't use that until they give me my payout. The eval is now a funded account, so it's a new 50K funded account, no consistency needed. And then of course I have my other funded account with Tradeify, which is ridiculous. It's a 100K account and I have it 126,000. The only issue with that account to get a payout is the consistency, but we're gonna get there. It's all good. I have over $20,000 in drawdown. So, and I keep doing like little baby base hits. I should be risking minis with that account, but let's just keep it for content purposes. We have to be careful in looking for longs. Iran does not want to meet again for peace talks, so who knows what will happen. Very true. Yeah, a good piece of information to have there. What we do is literally just read the candlesticks, guys. I know that we have all this fundamental news going on. Yes, the news does move the market when the headline comes out, but overall we have to look and read the candlesticks, the momentum, the price action. That's it. That's our best indicator. We don't try to predict. We can speculate, right? But we react to what we see on the charts, and then we take that trade and see how it plays out. That's it. That's all we could do. We can only control the loss. We can only control how much we risk, right? How much we're gonna put on the table to lose. So if it does happen, it is what it is. You know what I mean? And take our setup every time, whatever that setup is. Hopefully that setup is something you've back tested, which gives you confidence in taking, right? But all right, so it's 9:17, almost 9:30. We're gonna see, let's see the S&P 500. Yeah, that one pumped also. Let's look at the higher time frames here real quick. We're gonna look at the daily. Woo! Like nothing happened. It's like nothing happened this weekend. Let me take this shit out of here. So yeah, it just kind of gapped down, but you could barely tell on the daily. That's crazy. And that's all-time highs. Ah, shit. Right there, that little space. And it's headed right towards that shit again. Crazy. A lot of little imbalances here on the daily. These get filled about 70% of the time, guys. Just have that in mind. The math has said that these imbalances get filled 70% of the time. Math is mathin'. You got to look at the statistics. You got to learn all this shit, man. When you know all these stats and you know these percentages and you know these probabilities, it increases your chances in your trade. That's simple, right? You gotta do your homework. But I'm here, guys. I'm here to help as much as I can. I hope that you guys get some value from me and learn something. And hit that like button. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got about 10 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Stay patient. Don't chase. Don't get FOMO. Stay patient. Let's see. I feel like, yeah, this little wick here, there might be like a little pullback back to VWAP, then a continuation. Maybe if it closes under VWAP, we already know it's going down. Maybe retest EMA 50. I don't know. Anything is possible. Just gonna wait and see. Or it could just continue closing green, go to all-time highs, finish filling the imbalance. I don't really use Fibonacci, but sometimes I use the little measurement of it. No? So this is 50% of the range here. It tapped this green spot. Usually this is where the reversal starts, right? 76% got to almost 100%. But it's between 61 and 76, right? Is that 76? It's hard to see it there. Yeah, sorry. That's 76. 76 and 61 of that range gap. It has filled almost 90 something percent. Interesting. Usually it starts doing a little pullback here, man. Might do a pullback to the pivot point here. Retest that. Or maybe retest VWAP. VWAP will slowly, in an hour, at 9 o'clock, or I'm sorry, at 10 o'clock, should pump like maybe about here. Remember, these indicators are delayed. Probably jump to like about here if it stays up here. So it just starts following it. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Stay tuned. So let me switch this from sim to a real account here. What accounts am I gonna use today? Yeah, let's go. Let's go with these copy trading 2 accounts. What's ATR right now? ATR is 19. That's decent. We got a decent ATR on the 5-minute time frame. That's the average trading range, if you're wondering. No news today. Some people don't like trading Mondays, especially if there's no news. I trade all days because I don't give a fuck. I'll even trade a bank holiday. Let's go. If I see a good setup, you know. If there's no good setup, whatever. If you're a trader, you can trade whenever you want. Don't listen to all these people. Oh well, it's not a good day to trade, and I catch a freaking banger. Oh well, maybe I should have traded. Trade whenever the hell you guys want. Just trade smart, you know? That's all. Let me look at the higher time frames over here. Ooh, wow. I just noticed on the 4-hour time frame, we got a massive inversion. Massive inversion. So if you're an ICT trader, this shit looks like it wants to continue going up, guys. Might do a little pullback, like I said, and that's really what I want to see. Like a little pullback here, go back maybe to the pivot point or EMA 200, and then rip right back up. But let's see. This blue line I said here. All right, so I'm gonna set. My God, 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. All right, real quick, I wanted to mark out some key levels right here. All right, we're gonna go over here. So this is a swing high. So I'm gonna mark this right here by making this up to there. That's a certain level. This is London high. All right, so London high, give or take, 26,803. Then we have all-time highs. Sort of start here. Is it all-time highs there? Am I crazy? Yeah, that's where all-time highs. It's not that far away. All right. We have how much of a gap left here? I want to see real quick where this gap is that's left. That's 26,803 till 8:15. So the top of London session, of course, till 15 is the rest of that gap. Let's see that real quick. 8:15. I'm gonna put a little line there. Say it's right there. All right, so this is a little key level. Be careful if price gets up here. And this is, we're gonna put all-time high, ATH. All right. All right. Should we mark out London low? Sure. Why not? Got 2 minutes. 2 minutes into the New York stock. Oh, that was fast. All right. London low is 26,618. Just marking out. It's pretty far away though, but could always get there. And then the Asia low, Ray, give or take. This one's already rated. We got the previous high that marked out no matter what. That's the new all-time high, guys. Yeah, this was the previous all-time high, and now it's obviously a little higher. This thing looks like it's going up, guys. Green giant. Gonna finish filling that imbalance. This little imbalance right here, I think it wants to go for that liquidity there. At market open. I'm not trading market open, guys, but if I were to do anything, it'd be long at market open and probably be done. But it could flip and just completely dump, so super risky, guys. Super risky. Just saying. Let's not forget my sounds. You're gonna hear
Green Giant
when it's pumping, and then tactical nuke.
Tactical nuke incoming!
right, those are the two sounds you'll hear while I'm trading. If the market's going up or if the market's going down. Tactical nuke is going down. The market's going to open now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. It just filled that. Yeah, I told you. I had a good chance. Good chance that long was going to get filled. Just filled it here. All right, so we got a massive liquidity grab. Now let's see if it wants to continue popping to the all-time highs, which is right there. Actually, new all-time highs right where this dotted line is. That's the previous day high right there. Previous day high 26,883. In case you're wondering, that is the previous day high. But it did grab that liquidity that I figured it was already headed towards and refill the imbalance. A nice long there would have been crazy, but I don't like to risk it that much, especially with all the news going on. I gotta wait. I want to wait for a good setup. There it goes. It took that liquidity. Now I might want to go retest some EMAs. There it goes. There it goes. I was saying, market open is major scalps. Wow. Now for real. Now for real, it's a tactical nuke.
Tactical nuke incoming!
All right, let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, so yeah, did a nice little raid of the highs here. London high filled that imbalance. It just wanted to fill that, rebalance that. Doing its pullback, tapped EMA 21. We're not gonna look for a trade until 9:45, guys. We're gonna set the 15-minute orb like we always do. Very mechanical, because that's the only way to stay profitable. It's boring, but you do the same move every single day, and it's about a 70% win rate, guys, from my study of backtesting. So I'm gonna go with that edge that I have on the market. That's me. That's what I've tested. So anybody else's strategy, that's great, but I do what strategy I know works. My strategy is a mix of almost all the strategies. So wow, look at that bounce straight off EMA 21 there. Massive bounce. Right back up. Uh-oh. Gonna go to all-time highs here. Again. Took out that London high right here. Filled that gap. That was the gap that was missing. I marked it out. And a little bit higher, so kind of the bounce not the bounce I wanted, but kind of the candlestick I wanted it to retest down here, at least one of the EMAs. So let's see if it continues to retest or starts pumping to all-time highs again. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. ES is ripping. All right, first 5-minute candle. It's a bullish pin bar. I call it a shooting star because it's shooting up. Let's see. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. This thing is ripping. That was a major rejection to the downside, though. Buckaroo, good morning. Good morning. I think this shit's gonna rip, but I don't want to jump in premature. I want to wait for my setup. It's just what concerns me is that if the orb does set up, okay. If it does set up, then I don't want to take a breakout into all-time highs. It's just, that's scary, dude. That's uncharted territory. The only thing we have for all-time highs on my chart is pivot points. That's why I have these pivot points. That's what the indicator is called. Pivots or pivot points. Is to see where there will be some sort of reaction where you should probably take profit. That's a resistance 1, resistance 2, support 1, and that's a pivot point. So some people have Bollinger Bands, some people have different things, but all-time highs, you know, don't try to short them because they just keep ripping no matter what news is going on. Sometimes it's just like, oh, it's all negative, but it's still ripping. Remember that these indexes go overall for the year, they usually end up positive, like from all the history. That's why people buy indexes like the S&P 500 that you can see here on the right is pumping. We are above VWAP, guys, so literally we're only looking for longs right now. A lot of resistance to the downside at the moment. You can see it tried to go down on that first 5-minute candle, completely rejected off EMA 21. Might want to go down again, retest the pivot point, or EMA 50, or maybe even VWAP, which is that purple. A lot of resistance to the downside, especially here on ES. You got EMA 200 all the way up here with the pivot point protecting it. So there's a lot of protection to the downside. But it's not that it can't get ripped apart though. So if you guys have any questions about what you're looking at and you don't understand it, please write it in the chat and I'll break it down for you. What's a pivot point? What's a London high? What the hell am I looking at, David? Hello.
Hello. Candle time?
Always. My sister's asking, candle time? Always light a candle. All right. So, all right. I guess we're getting a deeper retest, a deeper pullback here. Let me get the higher time frame up so we can see what's going on. Ooh, that looks really bad on the higher time frame. A complete reversal. Let's see how this candle closes in 50 seconds. ATR is currently 25. ATR is the average trading range. Tells you more or less the volatility. Gives you an idea of how big you should put your stop loss or take profit. For the trade to play out in whatever idea you think. hopefully with a strategy or an edge. All right, well, this thing is completely a hammer now. Oof, major rejection of these highs here. Alex, that short you're looking for is coming. This thing is dumping. Hammer time over here. Shit.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Well, 15-minute orb will be set in about 4 minutes and 20 seconds, guys. So stay tuned for that. This thing is completely dying now. Straight down. It just retested. Just retested, kind of. No, not really. Retested EMA 20. I'm sorry, EMA 200 on the S&P 500 here. And the pivot point having a slight pop right back up. It's kind of what I wanted to see, was this, a little retest and then a pop right back up. A little pullback. Is it gonna give us a nicer pullback or complete reject those lows? There is a little fair value gap right here. So is this thing going to pump or dump? Gotta stay patient. If you guys went if you guys went long at open, you're definitely getting squeezed.
I got this! I got this! I got this!
Yeah, every time you try to go long, I mean, if you scalped, you're good, but if if you're stuck in this now, you're getting cooked. If you're looking for a long, you're looking for a big bounce. And for that shit to... Yeah. Let's see what happens here, though. Alright, we got 2 minutes until the 15-minute orb is set. And we'll set that, and we'll wait until we get a breakout. I really don't want to break out to the bottom, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, be very careful, guys. Everybody be very careful. News can come out at any moment. Alright, we got a minute and 50 seconds. Let's see. I think I'm gonna risk on 2 accounts 200 today. That's what I'm gonna do. So total of the goal is a total of 400. So 200 and 200 for 2 accounts. All right, 15-minute orb is about to be set. I'm gonna start marking it out, guys. Rectangle. Right back into orb there. Did I get that? No. And there we go. So we get the nice 935 candle, 940. And 945. That is your 15-minute opening range. Now we're gonna wait for a break. That's why it's called the orb. We're gonna also do it on the S&P 500 to get confluence. Let's let's see here. So this was the top, this was the bottom. Did I get that right? I really don't want to take a short into VWAP, guys. That's usually not recommended, or a pivot point, or EMAs. You want to see a rip to the upside. So we might have to be extra patient. If it does rip, we're gonna have to see this thing come right back up. And it might continue going down. If it does, then yeah, that's something else. But I want to see a break to the upside, not to the downside. Lots of resistance down here on ES to the downside. That's not impossible to get broken through. So it's just very tricky. It could be choppy today too. Could be choppy since there's no news. It could be a chop fest. Overall, the bulls are losing the battle right now. I'll tell you that much. The bulls are definitely getting their ass kicked to the bears. Let's see how it looks here. Good morning, hoax. Good morning. Welcome to Trading with David 305. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. I'm trying to give you some knowledge. If you guys have any questions about anything, just let me know. Let me know in the chat. There are no stupid questions, guys. No stupid questions. Nobody hops in here and knows everything. I might not know the answer, but if I don't know the answer, I'll tell you I don't know. All right. All right. Higher time frames are showing very bearish momentum here. But I don't know. Is this gonna chop here or slowly grind to the upside? I really don't want to take any kind of short. Oh. Let's look at the higher time frame here. Oof. Major rejection of that fair value gap there. Imbalance, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we got to wait until we see some strength in this 1 hour candle before we go long. Because right now, the bears are in control. Right now, the bears are in control. They're trying to bring it right back down to possibly 633. 633, where is that? Shit. 633. It's close to London low. That's what they're trying to do. It's gonna be interesting for sure. Gotta stay patient here, guys. Gotta stay patient. Might have to wait for that 10 a.m. 1 hour candle to get the overall direction of what it wants to do here. If it wants to continue going up, or if it's gonna start doing a little pullback, maybe to VWAP. Who knows? Oh shit! What the hell was that? Who tweeted? Who tweeted? Oh, Iran. What they do? What they do? Shit just flushed. If you're in a short, thank the Lord. It's coming down a VWAP. Be careful, guys. This shit is flushing. Oh shit. If you weren't along, you just got cooked there. What a fucking candle. Let's see. It did tap that pivot point. And kind of tapped EMA 200 again. It's breaking out to the downside, guys, on NQ, but I'm not going to take this short. It's too much resistance down here, guys. For me, it just not a good look. Not a good look. Oh. Lethal Mine, it's following crypto on the weekend. Yeah, well, crypto dumped. Let's see. It's completely going sideways, guys, on ES here, so I didn't get a double confirmation from this candle. Even though it broke out of orb, I didn't take the short. Like I told you guys, why I don't want to take a short. I'd rather look for a long, even if it's halfway here. EMAs are all at the bottom. These are all resistance levels, guys. Pivot point, you know. It's a lot of things fighting the short. A lot of things fighting the short. A lot of things that can make it bounce right back up. So, unless I see it breaks and closes, breaks out and closes strongly down here, does some sort of retest, then continues down, now we're looking for shorts. But I need to see massive disruption to the downside for me to take a short. It's right now, technically right now, it's just testing to make sure these are support levels. To make sure these levels are getting filled. Okay, guys, we're getting a pump here. Let's go.
Green Giant.
This thing is ripping now.
Green Giant.
This is exactly what I wanted to see when I said I wanted to see a pump, take out some of this liquidity up here, see it come down, retest some of these EMAs, even the pivot point, and then see a bounce to the upside, guys. But I want to see a strong closure, strong green candle, not something wicky. I want to see a strong green candle to the upside. It might not have to break out before I go long. If I see it break out here on ES, but not break out on NQ, then I'll take the long. If I don't get that green confirmation that I'm looking for, guys, I won't take it. But let's see how it goes. Let's stay patient. It's still trying to figure out which direction. Hopefully it doesn't just continue to chop here. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm so patient and why I'm waiting so long, okay, here we go. Okay, this could be the long here. It's because I like for the market to come to me. I like it to show me what I want to see before I take the trade. This might be it. If this thing breaks out here, it's a little sketchy, but might take it. Might take it, guys. Just stay tuned. All right, it's looking very bullish on ES. That's a strong green candle. It could reverse and kill me, but I think I'm gonna take it, and we'll see how it goes. All right, ATR.
Order filled.
All right. If it comes down and kills me, that's fine too. But I think it wants to rip to the upside. ATR is 33. Let's see what it does. Let's go. Let it rip, baby. Let it rip. Y'all can close it whenever you feel you're good enough in profit, but it's already pumping, as you could see. It might come down, it might pop up. Hopefully it doesn't go down 50 points because ATR is 33. But yeah, I'm in the long here. I'm in the long. I have a feeling it wanted to break out here. Was looking semi-bullish. Hey, there we go. Up 46, 2 accounts. Let me pull up the other account here. There we go. That's 80 bucks. If I want it right now, 50 bucks. That's 100 bucks. It's ripping, guys. It's ripping at 40 points. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Come on. Let's get some more. Let's get it. Let's get it. This guy is something else. This guy is something else. I should close one here. Take a partial. Start the day off green. Let's sell one right there.
Submitted.
Let's go. Let's go. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Oh my goodness. You're gonna play with me like that? Did I put it too high? Oh my god. Come on. Stop playing with me. Let's go. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Order filled.
Let's go. That's one down. Oh, it's not giving me a stop. Okay, well,
order submitted.
We're gonna put a break even there. Oh my god. Let's trail. Are we gonna trail it? Holy shit. Let's protect some profits there. Oh my goodness. It's ripping, guys. It's ripping. Let's go. W's in the chat if you took that long. W's in the chat. Took it before the breakout, guys. I just saw this green candle here, and I was telling you what I was kind of looking for. It might come down and stop me out, but that's okay. I don't know why this didn't change to 1 when I closed that one out. Whatever. Gotta be careful actually now. Let me do this. Shit. My bad. My bad. That's crazy. Y'all can close it whenever you want, guys. Whenever you want, you can close it. Yeah, let's just leave it right there. We got about 2 minutes until this candle figures out what it wants to do. Is it gonna rip to the top? Holy shit. Why is this shit not changing to 2? I don't want to cancel that though, but whatever. Let's get a little more just in case. I only have 1 contract, but it's saying 2, so gotta be careful with that. It's killing me. It's gonna take me out.
Order filled.
Ah!
Order canceled.
What the hell is going on there? Let's cancel all orders here. That was a little weird. Flatten everything. All right. Sometimes the copy trader starts tripping a little bit, but hey, first trade already. Didn't even wait for the breakout. Up 100 bucks. Up a hundo. Combined, obviously. That's at least 110, right? Let's go. 10 a.m. Candle about to open now. Let's look at the 1 hour candle here. Gotta stay patient again, guys. Relax. I might look for another trade. Let's do this. I'm not gonna trade both accounts again. Let's just trade one account, which is the new funded account. Technically, I'm supposed to make at least 150 to qualify 5 times. $150 5 times, and you get a payout. So I got 50 bucks. I need to shoot for at least $100 more. Let's see what happens with this 1 hour candle. If it wants to stay in the middle of the range here. But we already got 1 W, guys. You guys don't have to trade again. You don't have to trade again. We got 1 win on the Monday. Yes, it is. A win is a win. Yeah. Everybody saw the merch. Everybody saw the merch. Let's go. He's official now. He's official now. What's up? Trading with David 305. What is that? I'm a trader on YouTube. Subscribe. Like. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Yeah, whoever doesn't work, who's retired. There we go. Whoever has some passive income, you know, it's good to trade. Learn to trade. You don't have to trade with real money, guys. You can use a prop firm. You can use paper trading. It's good to learn a new skill. You never know when you might need this in your life. I can teach you to trade, but I can't make you a trader. I am retired and work and trade. Let's go, Alex. Hey, that's the way to do it, bro. That's the way to do it. Be careful here, guys. It already did some sort of a sweep here. It kind of rejected the highs here and might want to do a bigger pullback now. So just be careful. As you can see, it's doing a retest of the top of orb after it broke out here. So that's what we're seeing here. If it closes back inside, we gotta wait until it breaks out again, and maybe we could take another long. Maybe. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Yo, this shit is crazy right now. That was a nasty swipe of the lows there. I think my stop originally was like around here, so that would have been pretty close if I was still in the long there. Hopefully it flips now, since it kind of did that stop order grab. I call it like a stop order grab. It'll rip down. Oh shit. All right, it's completely reversing to the downside now. Completely reversing. Okay. Nope. It bounced. It bounced. Never mind. Never mind. That's why we wait for the candle to close. And don't have FOMO. Let's go. Lethal Mind. W. Nice trade. Thank you. Thank you. Don't worry, Alex. I'm going to find another trade. We're just waiting, being patient. I know that you're scared that it might go down because of all the negative news. I get it. Look, it could be right now. I don't know. I was a little premature on that long there. That's why I trailed it pretty close. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Tactical nuke incoming. This shit's going down. This shit's completely dying. I don't know, man. I don't know. Or it could bounce. Completely could bounce. I don't know. One is... We got about 50 seconds. Let's see what happens with this candle here. If it wants to go right back down. It hasn't tested VWAP for how long, guys? How long has it been since it tested VWAP here? It's been a minute. So London at 4 a.m. was the last time I was there. 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Want to come down and retest that there. It's going back into orb here on ES. So just stay patient, guys. Let's see overall time frames. Looking super choppy. on the 15-minute time frame. Super chop. Let's see. This is the 1 hour time frame over here. It is engulfing the green candle, so this thing could continue to flush. Be careful, guys. Pivot point or VWAP. That's not a bad idea, Alex. Not a bad idea at all. I'm pretty sure there will be some serious reaction around these lows here. This is an area of definitely support. So looking at this area right here, this little circle. Could bounce straight off that little spot there. Let's see. If it touches that spot, we might see a big complete bounce. Let's see. Now, if it rips through that and closes strongly red, it might do a pop up and then continuation to the downside. But the way the market's been moving for the last few hours is to the upside, guys. It's been just doing these little pullbacks and grinding overall to the upside. So if I was anyone right now, just looking for longs is the plan currently. Look for some kind of retest, look for some kind of reversal to the upside. That was a little scalp there, nothing crazy. It didn't get to my target, which was 200 bucks, obviously. I saw a little resistance at this point here, so I started trailing a little tighter. How many points did I get off that? It wasn't that much though. Let's see. Didn't want to risk it on a Monday and start off the week red. About 20 points, guys. So whatever, I'll take it. That's a home run for some people. With 20 points, that's a home run. My bad. No pressure. So Alex is in the chat and he's looking for a reversal right here, bounce to the upside. I don't usually take reversals or bounces. I wait for my confirmation to show me it wants to go to the upside. Oh man, I think it bounced before. It's bouncing before it got there. It's bouncing before it got to that level, but damn. Is it gonna break out of orb in the next 10 seconds on ES? I don't think so, not yet. Let's stay patient, guys. Stay patient for this second trade. Oh my gosh. All right. No, it didn't break out on ES. Let's see what happens here. Looks like it bounced at AMA 50 here. This green EMA kind of tapped that and completely reversed, ripped right through EMA 21, which is the blue. Let's see if we get a continuation. If it continues and it closes strongly green on ES to the upside up here, might take the long. But if not, I'm going to continue to wait. We still have the marked out level that Alex thinks it's going to bounce, which is a good chance it could. It's a good chance it could bounce. It hasn't tapped VWAP in a while. Let's just watch and see what happens. All right, it's going down there. It's going down there, Alex. No pressure. Hopefully this thing does what it says. If it rips down there, man. Let's see if there's a bounce. It could be a bounce off EMA 21 here on ES also. Oh shit, it's flushing. It's flushing. Tactical nuke.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Let's see what happens. This thing is completely dying. Wow, bro. It's playing with your emotions. It wants to get down there. It's not going to tap that area you want. And it's going to flip and turn green. You think? Oh, no. Oh, wow. They're buying it up hard, man. There's 1 minute and 50 seconds, guys. If it breaks out on ES... If it breaks out on ES strongly, shows a nice bullish pin bar on NQ. Green candle here. I'll probably take a long, guys. Let's see how this is. This is turning into a bullish pin bar to the moon. Back to all-time highs. Let's see what happens, though. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Market's gonna test your patience. It's gonna test you. Alex, he's like, wow, bro. This thing's playing with my emotions. Emotional damage. Got so close. It still could come down there. I mean, there's still a minute left. You never know. This market's been moving crazy. It does these crazy flashes straight down and then goes right back up. Pretty crazy. I have an open order at 7:15. So you have a limit order at 7:15. Right here. That's a good spot. That's a good spot. Right under... Oh, it's right under the low. The swing low. Okay. Yeah, no, I mean, if it touches that and bounces, dude, it'd be good. Good for the day. All right, so little chop here. We're getting chopped out, or not? Nobody's getting chopped out, hopefully. But it is chopping. All right. Let's see. Is it gonna get down here? 7:15. Right at the swing low. That's Alex's order. Let's see if it gets filled, and let's see what happens. If it gets filled and then it immediately bounces, I might do a scalp. Don't like what I'm seeing in oil. There, you have this thing with oil, man. Last time you saw oil going up and you thought NASDAQ was gonna dump, and that thing just flew to the moon. So I don't know about oil like that. Oil is too volatile, man. Need to find something that's a little more, maybe YM, S&P, which is ES. Something a little more that confluences with NASDAQ. I mean, oil is kind of give you an indicator, but I don't know. I look for things that are going in the same direction. You're looking for something that shows you like a reversal. Yeah, the opposite, exactly. Oh man, it's playing with your emotions, Alex. Is it gonna get down there and bounce or what? Uh-oh, it's getting close to that limit order. That limit buy order. There's a limit buy order. Oh my goodness, it's playing with him. This is a random spike. Random spike down. Bro, this is too volatile. What's ATR? 35? Yikes. Y'all better be careful. Be careful here. Okay. Oh man. Is it going for that swing low? I think so. I think so. Uh-oh, Alex is about to tap you in. It's gonna tap you in, brother. Uh-oh. Pivot point. It's at the pivot point. It's about to tap you. Uh-oh. I'm scared. Don't be scared. Gotta risk it for the biscuit. Do what you saw. Oh, wow, it bounced. It didn't get there. It was right here. Make sure you have a stop loss. That's all I gotta say. Uh-oh. Wow. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh. Oh, my God. Did it fill you? Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's about to tap that VWAP. It might have already tapped VWAP. An equal low? Oh, my goodness. It's coming. It's coming for you, Alex. It's coming for that. Yeah, I don't take these shorts. I mean, I don't take these longs like this. I don't take reversals. I usually get burned. For me, it's like catching a falling knife. Oh my God. No. No way. You see, this is the other thing. If you put a limit order there, it doesn't fill it. And then you see that shit rip all the way up here. You're going to hate your life. Psychologically, that shit will destroy me. Let's see. Don't tell me this thing's gonna pop to the moon now, guys. Don't tell me this thing. Oh my goodness. Alex. By like 5 points. Not even. A few ticks. Sorry. A few. Two, 3 points? 1 point. 1.5 points. Oh, is it coming back? 2 points. Careful, I think it might want to go down. It's coming back for you, Alex. Hang in there. It's coming back. Oh man, I'd be getting serious emotional damage right now. Yeah, I think I'm about to closing it. Well, I don't know. What's it looking like on the 1 hour? Let's see. Yeah, this thing looks like it's gonna flip, turn into a bullish pin bar and now go to the moon. Now we have EMA 21. It's kind of chopping between EMA 50 and EMA 21 here. Just completely sideways. Wow, it did an equal low. Didn't take out the swing low and tap Alex into the long. It happens. I don't like what I'm seeing. Yeah, you think it's gonna dump officially? Could. It could. Let me see here. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Make sure you're hitting that like button. Oh my goodness, Alex. This thing is pumping, dude. Wow. That shit did a bitch move on you, bro. 2 points. Didn't tap you into the long, and now this shit's all the way up here. That would have been TP for sure. I know, bro. I know. That's why I do market orders, guys. That's why I don't do limit orders, because if this shit happens to me, I'd be freaking furious. I just enter that shit as soon as I see it pumping. That's the only way. The only way I could do it. I only put limit orders to sell partials, or to probably put a additional stop or something like that. But yeah. What happened here? All right, let's do that. 200, yeah. All right, what's ATR at currently? ATR's at 35. A little volatile, not too crazy, but a little volatile. Now this thing's gonna freak. At least I'm still even. Hey, capital preservation, man. Capital preservation is also a position. Let's see. Nah, this thing's gonna rip now. Is it gonna pump? Oh yeah. If it closes up here, guys, or higher on ES, I'm going long. I'll tell you that much. One account. Let's see how this goes. Still a little undecided. Come on. 30 seconds. Gonna break out. Is it gonna break out here? If it does, I'm going long. If it breaks out strongly, I'll go long. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
All right, I'm long. All right, I'm long. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Am I going to get chopped? Is it going to come down to Alex's entry now? Or is it going to rip? All right, I'm in with the one account. Let's see. ATR is at 35. I took the long because it broke out of ES here. Pretty strong. If it comes all the way straight back down, then I just got chopped out. It's that simple. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. One funded account. I'm thinking it wants to pop. Let's see what NQ 1 hour time frame looks like. It's a little sketchy, guys. It's a little sketchy. If it wants to flip, it would be great. That would be great now. I didn't look at the higher time frames. I kind of messed that up. But it does look like it wants to flip and go a little higher. It kind of looks like it. Let's see. Bullish pin bar on the 15-minute. Here we go. Let's go. Can we get a pump? Can we get a pump? Can we get a pump? Can we get that?
Green Giant.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I need $150. $150 in total. Already made 50 bucks. So once it gets to 150, I might just close it. Let's see. Let's see. I'm at 80. Let's see. Come on. Let's give me a ripper. I don't even need that much, man. All I need. Whatever. We'll see. Let's just let it ride for right now. Almost there. 90 bucks. Come on. Flip to a bullish pin bar. 1 hour time frame. Let's just do a simple 1-to-1 here. Let's go. Come on. Don't chop. Don't chop. Don't chop. What's ES doing? Get up there. Look, you have a swing high right here. You got a swing high right there. Come on. Oh, no. No. Don't go back to Alex's limit order. Oh, man. This should just chop me. Oh, fuck. Or is it just getting some speed? Or is it just getting some speed to go back up? Oh my god.
Oh my god, I almost died. I almost died. That was so scary. Thank you.
I could still die. I could. Oh, dude, this is completely reversing. Oh my god. Pure chop. I got chopped. I'm getting chopped. Don't tell me it's going right back down to that fucking swing low now. What a fail. Oh my god, dude. Don't tell me that, dude. No way. No way. Oh my god. What a bad one. Come on. Flip right back up. Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm super cooked. Oh.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get cooked here, guys. This shit is completely reversing. It reversed on my ass. This is called chop. I got chopped. I didn't think it was gonna come right back down after this massive bullish fucking candle. What a fucking bad one. Wow. What a bad one. Come on, bounce. Bounce straight back up. Don't do this to me. It's going to take out that swing low, my stop, and then right back up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Oh, yep. There goes. Gonna do a crazy ass freaking liquidity sweep there. What a bad one. What a crazy ass rejection candle, bro. To the upside. This is crazy. I'm cooked. Super cooked on this trade. Wow. Unless it completely rips right back up, which is very unlikely. After it just ripped up, rips down. If it rips right back up, that's crazy. It's probably going to take me out. Yeah, I think it's going to bounce once it stops me out. That's what I think it's going to do. Right at your limit order. That's where my freaking... Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Oh, what a bad one, bro. Now the short-term play, huh? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Gotcha, David.
Stop filled.
Wow, look where it stopped me. What the hell happened there? What the hell happened? Alright, well, got cooked on that one. It tapped your order. Are you gonna long it? Are you gonna long it now? Oh my god, he's in. It completely bounces now. Man, right at the freaking bottom. Let me take this out. What a bad one. What a bad one for me. Complete reversal and chop. Well, not okay. Is it gonna bounce or is it gonna continue going down? Uh-oh, Alex. Did you sell it? Oh, you didn't like, you closed it? Okay. All right. Good. What a bad one. This thing might want to go down then. I mean, shit. What a chop right here. Completely got me. Yeah. I'm down 162 on the funded account. Let's see what happens. Look for one more trade. We're going to stay patient for another 10-15 minutes. Yeah, I definitely got killed on that short there. Sorry, that long.
Fatality.
It got me good. Let's see what happens if it bounces or what. Let's see what it does, guys. So we got one win and one loss. One more trade and I'm done. Let's see if we can get back the 162. Yeah. Uh-oh. It's breaking out now to the bottom of orb on ES. Looking pretty strong on the 1 hour time frame. Yep. This could be a reversal here to the downside. I don't know. VWAP is losing power here. Let's just be patient. Be patient, guys. Be patient. Let's see. Wow. Complete doji. Indecision on the 5-minute time frame. What's ES looking for? You're saying EMA 50 on ES? Because EMA 50 on my chart is right here. Kind of already ripped right through it. That's EMA 50, this green. Let's see, my sister's lighting the candles. Should have been on, but it's okay. Took a loss. No candles were lit. It's okay. It's all right. I did tell her. She goes, well, you'll get it back. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. It's losing power here. It might want to start ripping to the downside. I don't know. Or we're just gonna have to be patient, guys. Just be patient. I really don't want shorts, guys. I really don't. But let's just hang in there. Let's see what it does at VWAP. That's looking like a nice little bounce. That's looking like a nice little bounce here. Rejected twice. VWAP. Swing lows were taken. Stops. My stop was taken. If we get a nice push to the upside again, and we're taking the long. All right. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Gonna stay patient. Gonna stay patient, guys. Thank you guys for watching Trading with David 305. Make sure you hit that like button. Thumbs up. We took one win, one loss. Looking for the third one to find out how the day is gonna end. Let's see. Yeah, definitely bouncing. Looks like it's breaking it now. If it breaks EMA 21, that could be an additional confirmation. And if we see a green candle closure up here on ES, might want to do a complete V shape back up. Let's see. All right, we're getting that kind of bullish pin bar there. We need this to flip to bullish pin bar too. Looks like a bullish pin bar on the 15-minute time frame, but we still got about 5 more minutes until that candle closes. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Yeah, it's not giving us that confirmation that we're looking for. Looks like it wants to go lower. And maybe retest VWAP on ES before it rips. This thing is super choppy right now, man. This thing is tactical nuking. Is it going to come down to retest the EMA 200 here? Whoa, there it goes. There it goes. It just completely flushed. Good thing I had a stop loss, huh? Good thing I had a stop loss. That would have been bad. Always have a stop loss. ATR's at 36. Little volatile. Not too crazy though, but has these random spike candles. Random as shit. Look at that. Holy shit. Oh. Who tweeted? Oh my god. What the hell is happening? This thing is completely...
No, God!
dumping.
No, God, please, no! 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 Tactical nuke incoming!
And this thing is grinding. Grinding to the bottom here. This shit is off the damn screen here on my other. Coming for a swing low. Maybe an imbalance down there. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, I think this shit wants to flush, man. Look at this shit. Look at this 1 hour rejection candle. Wow. Got to be very careful down here, guys. Sure, it might want to go lower. It might want to go higher. It might bounce. At this point, I think it wants to go lower. On the 4 hour time frame, it's completely engulfing the green candle. So, I don't know. I'm gonna stay patient, guys. I'm gonna stay patient. This thing could completely flush to the bottom, but I really don't want to take a short, even though the higher time frames are showing clearly that the bears are in control. I'm just scared this shit wants to freaking rip right back up and then chop me out again. This was a massive chop. It went straight down, rejected, pumped, did a little, and then completely ripped right back down. Chop me out completely. First one was a good trade, decent. It was scalp. This one was complete bullshit. Let's see. Of course, it's gonna tactical nuke to the bottom now. The time I don't want to look for shorts is the day the shorts are in play, huh? Is that how it goes? Oh my god. I don't know, man. I don't want to chase this short here. I really don't. But I have a feeling it wants to go lower. Definitely pop this imbalance here. Let's swing low. 36 is the ATR. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Incredible, bro. Incredible. If this shit just continues to flush, bro, like, I don't know, man. I don't know. They're making it really fucking difficult. I'm just gonna stay patient. I'm gonna stay patient. Guys, I'm just staying patient until I see a good setup. Right now, all the setups that I see are like a 50-50, guys. All the setups I see right now are kind of like 50-50. I don't see something that really is worth it for me. Just trying to stay patient, see if something presents itself. If nothing presents itself, then yeah, it's a win and a loss, and we'll come back tomorrow if anything. But let's see. All right, I think the bears are now in control. It depends on how this candle closes on the 5-minute time frame here. It's completely rejecting the pop to the upside. Retested VWAP, sold off again, selling off again on VWAP. Ripped. Oh, it's going for that imbalance. Whoa! Holy shit! What the hell is going on? Oh, that's news for sure. That's news for sure. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! What is happening? Oh my god! Let's pull up Twitter. Something happened. Something. Refresh. This shit's completely off the freaking off the chart. Holy shit. Is this right now? 22 minutes ago. Talked me into the war with Iran. The results, 7 October added my lifelong opinion. Iran can never have a nuclear weapon. Holy shit. This is 22 minutes ago. That's old. 22 minutes. Israel never talked me into the war with Iran. The results of October 7th added to my lifelong opinion that Iran could never have a nuclear weapon. I watched and read the fake news, pundits and polls in total disbelief. 90% of what they say are lies and made up stories, and the polls are rigged. Much as 2020, they're just like the results in Venezuela, which the media doesn't like to talk about. The results in Iran will be amazing, and if Iran new leader regime change are smart, Iran can have a great prosperous future. All right, well, let me hit refresh again. Anything new? Anything new? Nah, same thing. That was crazy. Was anybody in a short? I don't recommend shorts now. That was a massive liquidity sweep there. What did it sweep? Oh, it swept Asia low, guys. It literally swept the Asia London low. It swept London low, and I think it tapped the Asia low. Holy shit. Oh wow, it didn't tap it, or did it? No, it did. It literally tapped the Asia low and ripped right back up. I was waiting for this candle to close red and possibly take a short. Look at this shit. Back at VWAP on ES. Wow. Imagine my stop, although I would have got cooked. Cooked. That's why I always have a stop loss, guys. Took a long here, and this thing completely went to the down. I was wrong. Just flat out wrong, guys. Wow. All right, Buckaroo. Hopefully you were not in a long. Wow. Wow. What a dump. What a dump. Oh, Buckaroo was in a short? Oh, my bad. I didn't read the top. I was in short. I go out, bro, and I'm done for the day, guys. Let's go, Buckaroo. Took the short. Oh, my God. What a short. I wish you would have recorded that one. That must have been beautiful. If you're in a short and something like that happens, bruh. That's like the best thing that could happen. Wow. Yeah, after a sweep like that, guys, now you gotta wait. You gotta wait again. Now I gotta see some sort of reversal, hopefully. If it continues to go down, Could be cooked there. Oh man. Let's see. Wow, it's continuing to go down. It was such a strong swipe, it might want to go down to make sure it filled all the orders it wanted to. Because I'm sure it missed some order fills. Woo! I'm telling you, my allergies are just sometimes out of this world. Sorry, completely sneezed into the mic. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Man, what a dump that was. That was crazy. Massive liquidity. That was complete manipulation, guys. Complete manipulation. Let's see if any news came out. Maybe it's a little delayed. All right, let's see. 28 minutes ago. No, that's the same news. Nothing nothing new. It was just a manipulation. Somebody said something. Any news here? January. No, that's what the hell? 20th. Let's go. Yeah, there's nothing here, guys. Economic wise, there's nothing really that important on Monday. Nothing. So that was pure manipulation. Pure manipulation. Oh my goodness. Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens here. Today's been a rough one. This shit is going right back down to literally sweep that Asia low. Hold on. Might take this short, man. I might take this short at this point. Maybe I'm coming in really late, but shit. I don't know, man. I think this thing wants to continue to dump. 11 o'clock candle about to open. Look at this shit. I think it wants to go down a little bit before it pops. I could get cooked. I could get cooked.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens, bro. Let's see what happens. If it completely rips, then whatever. Let's see if it goes for the freaking lows. Oh, I feel like I risked a little too much there, but whatever. What's the ATR? ATR jumped to 42. Fuck. Oh yeah, bro, this shit just continues to reverse on my ass. Maybe I should protect it here. Oh my god, that's a lot of risk, huh? 500. If I get cooked here, I get cooked. Let's go here. Long at 606. I'm going with the short, man. Look at this shit. This shit looks like it wants to keep going lower. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. 500 to make 500. Trying to short this shit now. Let's see. Could be wrong. I'm gonna sell 2 right here so I don't get completely obliterated if it goes reverse on my ass. Buy 2.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see what happens there. I'm in a short, guys. I'm in a short. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'll get some back. Let's see. See if it. I'm aiming for Asia low. It kind of tapped it. Didn't really get down there. I think he wants to go just a little bit lower on the higher time frame. And hopefully it could flush just a little bit more and give me some of my money back. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Give my money back, please. Give me some of my money back, please. Flush it. Flush it. Come on. Flush it. Come on. Oh my god. This is going to play around with me. Come on. Take out that swing low and then do whatever you want. Honestly. Let's go. Let's go. Again, I'm looking for shorts. Why? Because we're under VWAP, guys. We're under VWAP, so strongly. I was saying it earlier in the stream. If I see a strong closure in the lows, I'll take a low. I'll take a short. I might be in a little late, but there was no way to know this shit was gonna completely fucking flush like that. So do have a lot on the line here. Could be a rough start for the week. It could be a good start for the week. Let's see what happens. We're gonna sell 2 there, and then we're gonna trail. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Tactical nuke. Tactical nuke. Flush it. Come on. Give me sell 2 there. There we go. Oh,
Order
let's
filled.
go. All right. We're at 1. Let's move to break even. No more losing, guys. $17. About to get to break even. Hopefully it flushes and doesn't come back. If it does come back, it's gonna knock me out at $7 instead of $147. So let's see. This thing is super volatile. Maybe it does a nice little flush again. If I'm lucky. Let's go. Flush it. Hey, let's go. I need 150, guys. I need 150. Flush it. Let's go. You guys should be up already. Should be up on the week. Let's go. Okay, we're auto trailing. We're auto trailing. That's at least 40 points. This thing is completely flushing, guys. I could close it out and stay green, but I'm gonna let it ride. Fuck it. Gonna let it ride. Come on. Flush it. What do we got? ATR is 42. Be careful with these damn wicks. Could come up and stop me out at break even. It could. I'm good with it. Whatever happens, we're not down too bad anymore. It's a win regardless. This is a runner. I already closed out 2 right here. Let's see if it continues to flush. It does have EMA 50 here on the 1 hour time frame, and it just swept EMA 200. Let's see. Is it going to continue? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it. Let's go. Come on. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Flush it. Let's go. Let's go. Flush it. Let's go. More. Let's go. Let's go. What are we at? Oh, man. We're almost back to what I had it originally at. Let's put it right here. Let's go. Oh, my God. We are super dumping. OMG. Is it going to go to that swing low right here without popping up? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't pop right back up. Go lower. Oh my God. It's tapping EMA 200 on the 15-minute time frame. We're going to let it ride. We're going to let it ride. Let's go. It keeps going. It keeps going. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I just closed it out. We're ended green, guys. That was $100 on one micro. We got out of the hole. So we got 2 wins, 1 loss, and another win. Yeah, it's just the volatility is insanity today, guys. Tomorrow's another day. I'm going to take a small little win today. And that's it. And it could continue to dump here, and it probably will hit TP, but I don't want to risk all that profit. But that's green, and we're back, baby. Let's start off the Monday with a green. Even if it's a small green, it's still a win, guys. It's still a win, and we're on the road to 14 weeks profitable. It's 11 o'clock. Oh, wow, man. Look at this short. It kept going, dude. Whatever. I got out the hole. Let's say I'm at break even, guys, pretty much. Tomorrow we will look for another banger. So I took 1 win. It was kind of a scalp. 1 loss. And another win right now. Let's go. Let's go. It's at a key level, at a support level right here. So you just got to be careful, guys. It doesn't pop. It's tapping EMA 200 on the 15-minute time frame. Super trend is getting hit. EMA 50 is getting hit. Super support is getting hit. So you just got to be careful. You see? There it goes. That's why I closed it out, guys. I didn't want to risk this pop all the way up and then close out in red for like $20. I'd rather be closed out in green for $38. I'll tell you that much. Anyways, whatever. It was a little bit of a roller coaster today. Break even after that loss is a win. Yes, sir. Lethal Mine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Well, you guys have a great rest of your day. As you could see, the day was a little volatile, a little crazy dump here. I kind of said in the beginning of the day, I was looking for longs. We were above VWAP, above all the EMAs. The only way I was looking for shorts, which I took a short here, was if I see a strong closure under the EMAs. I did. Eventually, this candle was a little wild, but this candle showed me it wanted to continue coming down. Took that short all the way here. Pretty happy with the short, to be honest. Let's count how many points that short was. 50 points, guys. 50.25 points on a short. That's a lot. That's a lot, guys. I'm happy with that. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Already started the week off green. Not very, but hey, green is green, guys. Green is green. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, tell your friends. This guy knows what he's doing. He's been profitable 13 weeks, going for 14 weeks. We already started off green. See you guys 9 a.m. tomorrow. Let's go. Have a great rest of your day. And just relax. Just relax, guys. It's gonna be good tomorrow. I have a good feeling. All right, take it easy, guys.